Okay guys, in today's video I have for you the Glow Addict Fall Mystery Box. If you're curious to see what you get in this one, well, keep on watching. What's up gorgeous people, it's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I have for you a Glow Addict Fall Mystery Box. Yes! Okay, so this company kept popping up in my Instagram feed and then they started popping up frequently in my email. So either I accidentally signed up for something through this company from my Instagram, or one of the companies that I have a subscription to sold my information to them. I'm not really sure what happened, but they kept popping up in both those places and they had this mystery fall box and I thought, okay, $15. It's a one-off purchase. I did not subscribe to their subscription box, although they do have one. I'll go over that in the next segment, but I didn't subscribe. I kind of wanted to see what I got in this fall mystery box to see if this is something that I wanted to try. You know I have a lot, and I do mean a lot of beauty subscriptions going on right now, so I really don't need any more. I kind of need to dwindle down the ones that I currently have. So I'm not trying to get an additional one, but I thought that I would go ahead and give this one a try to see what kind of products you get, to see if it would be something that I might be interested in, because they do have a really inexpensive subscription that you can get. So I'll go over that, all of that information in the next segment, and then we'll go into what I got in my fall Glow Addict mystery box, and then we'll wrap this video up. How's that sound? All right, let's jump into a little bit about Glow Addict now. Okay guys, so what is Glow Addict? Well, it was established in 2018 and it was created to introduce subscribers to new indie brands and brands we all know and love. Full-size products delivered to your door monthly at a low price. I mean, what more could you ask for? Okay, now let's jump into how it works. So when you sign up for Glow Addict, you'll be receiving full-size products delivered to your door every month. You'll get to try products from brands we know and love, along with new indie brands. So for step 1, you'll decide what type of subscription you want. They have a beauty bag, a beauty box, or a skincare box. Then for step 2, you'll decide your frequency. Do you want it monthly, every 3 months, every 6 months, or every 12 months? And then step 3, well, you're just gonna get the package. Okay, now that we know how it works, let's jump into how much it costs for these 3 different subscriptions. So when you get to their website, it looks like this, and all you need to do if you want to subscribe to one of their boxes is click the subscribe button. Once you click that button, it's going to take you to this page. So here we have the breakdown for all their subscriptions. For the Glow Addict Beauty Bag, you get 4 to 5 full-size items each month for only $13.99, and the bag value is around $153.89. Not sure how they arrived to these exact totals, but there you go. Then for the Glow Addict Beauty Box, you will get 5 to 7 products per month. And this one is $18.99 a month, and you'll get a value around $208.89. Then we have the Glow Addict Skincare Box. This one is also 5 to 7 full-size products each month for $24.99. The value you would get in this box is $299.88. Alrighty, that covers just about everything. Now let's see what I got in my mystery fall box. Okay guys, so here's my box. Super pretty, right? It's a pretty box. We got some nice sparkle on there. It's a nice light blue color. Dig in the box. I'll find something to do with it. I keep telling you guys I'm going to have DIYs in these boxes, and that is very true. But I can't promise you when that's going to happen. Hopefully soon. We'll see. Nonetheless, why don't we see what we got in here, huh? That's why you guys tuned in. Let's check it out. Ooh, pretty. So we have a nice little fall sticker in here. That's a nice touch. And this is what it looks like inside. Everything looks to be bubble wrapped and secure. So we'll go ahead and let's see. Is this a card? No, it's not. No card. I like it when the companies provide a card to tell you a little bit about the products. Now this is a one-off mystery box, so perhaps they did not do that with just this mystery box. So since I didn't get the subscription, I don't know if it includes a card or not. I'll try my best to find these products for you guys because I like to pop them up on the screen for you so that you know how much they cost and what size you would get if you were to buy the full-size version. So whatever. Let's see how this goes. The first thing I'm grabbing in here is this Okalon 16 color eyeshadow palette. Guys, looking pretty good, right? I'm liking it. All right, so let's pop this puppy open. Oh no, it's sealed with one of those really like strong clear stickers. Ugh. It's the best that they seal their product in place, but the worst when you're doing an unboxing. Just saying. Ooh, these are pretty. Hey, they got like eyeballs on them and like stars and stuff. Not sure if you guys are going to get that on the camera, but they have eyes and stars indented into this eyeshadow palette. Pretty cool. I like the fall colors on this palette. Super pretty. Yeah, this is a great little palette. I don't know if this particular company is, you know, non-toxic and all of that fun stuff. I'm not really sure. I don't know anything about them, but this is a great eyeshadow palette. I mean, the palette alone could almost, definitely not quite, pay for the cost of the box, which was 15 bucks. So there's my first item in this little mystery box of goodies. So they have everything like individually bubble wrapped, which I greatly appreciate, because that would mean everything is hopefully not damaged. It doesn't mean that it didn't get damaged on its way here, even though they tried their best to protect it. Okay, so what the heck? It just tells me ingredients and stuff. I mean, if I had to guess, it says it's Floyd, and it looks like a blush palette. Well, not a whole palette. It's just a blush one-off color. All right, let's pop it open. I'll go ahead and swatch it for you guys. And it would be really helpful if there was more information on this. So shame on this Floyd company for not letting me know what this product was and a little bit more about it, because if you're going to stick yourself in one of these boxes so that people can, you know, buy your product and try your product, you really need to let people know who you are and what you're presenting to them. Just saying. All right, so let's go ahead and pop it open. We'll do a little swatch through. Ooh, it's pigmented. It's definitely pigmented. I don't know, guys. Is this an eyeshadow? See, this is what is terrible. I have no idea what this is. And there's no card to tell me, so it's either an eyeshadow or a blush. I don't know. Take your pick. Just start playing with it on your face. See what happens. I guess that's how this goes. I don't know. This is odd. All right. Oh, this is cute. Look at this. So cute. It's a mermaid brush. Oh my gosh. Hold on. I'm holding the tail so you can't even see it. How cute is that? Little mermaid brush. Ooh, soft. So soft. Okay, guys, so this is a really small one. I'm not sure what it's used for. I mean, maybe something blending your eyes or something. I don't know, but I really like it. This is a really cool little brush. That is so cute. But again, I have no brand name on this brush. I don't know anything about it. Now, I don't know if Glow Addict makes their own products, and that's what's in here, but Okalon wouldn't be their product. So I don't know how this little box works. But so far, I am not liking the fact that I don't even know who makes this, where I would get one if I wanted to buy more. That is just, I mean, I'm not a fan of that. Okay, so let's go ahead and grab the last thing in my little surprise box. $15. Guys, I don't know that it was $15 worthy. Just throwing that out there. Okay, so this is a vitamin 2-step sheet mask. Rejuvenate and lift. Alrighty, so there's a step 1 that's the toner and a step 2 that is the sheet mask. And this says it's JJ Young by Carolyn Lab. Okay, so at least you have the brand name and all the information that you need. And most people know how to use a sheet mask. You know, you're going to apply the toner to the face, and then you do the sheet mask for 15 to 20 minutes. So this is kind of self-explanatory. I'll definitely give it a try. You know, I can use a lift. Who can't use a lift? But yeah, guys, that's it. I paid $15 for that. So I gotta say, the fact that this little mystery box was $15, I'm not impressed with it. I'm probably most definitely not going to try their subscription service. I'm not impressed with this at all. Not in the least. And that's unfortunate because I was actually really excited to get it because they advertise like crazy. I mean, they roped me in, you know, they're all over Instagram, Facebook, all these pages popping into my feed. And I finally gave it a try and then I'm disappointed. Kind of stinks, guys. But yeah, that's it. That's all I have for you guys today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Hopefully you found it helpful in the fact that you don't get very much with this subscription, at least in their mystery box. I can't judge it off of their actual subscription box. Maybe it's better. I don't know. I can't speak on that because I did not get it. And based off of this box, I'm not going to. So that solves all that. Nonetheless, hopefully you enjoyed the video. And if you did, make sure you hit the subscribe button and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos I have coming up. I have lots of other different subscription boxes on the way. Hopefully they'll be here soon. I can go over all of that with you guys. And I also do fun DIYs. I have a lot of super fun things coming up. So make sure you're subscribed and you click the notification bell so you don't miss any time I upload a video and you won't miss all the super fun stuff I have coming up here. Lots of fun stuff coming up in October, so make sure you're subscribed. Just saying, I'm not gonna give it all away. I'm just saying. All right, guys, I will catch you in my next video. Bye. Better. All right. What's up, gorgeous people? It's Amber. Welcome back to my channel. So, I don't like this. All right, hold on. It's on video, right? Sure. Great. All right. Or one of these other companies where I have millions of subscriptions to. Okay, that didn't work. Hold on.